Hi guys, today we are going to be reviewing the One Piece Battle Record Collection. I got this from Ross for $22, but the original is $32. So yeah, sorry for the bad quality. And yes, I already opened this, so yeah, it's just a re-open review, I guess. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so we have a platform here. Oh. Yes. Oh. Well, this is weird. Okay. Luffy was stuck to his legs. Okay, so here we got Luffy. Monkey Luffy. And we got his legs. I don't know. I forgot what that guy was called. When he was just a pair of legs at Punk Hazard. But whatever. Now we have his arm, his, fist. When he's stretching. Oh, it has armament on it. And let's put the box back. And we got this clear platform thingy. It's like for the figures I have. And we got this supporter. Oh yeah, that's a supporter too, I guess. But first, let's look at the box. Hold up. There was a second one at the Ross. It's probably the same as this one. But here we have the front. We have gear for Luffy right here. As you can see, it has One Piece Battle Record Collection. Same up here too, and One Piece. And Bandai. We got the same thing with Oda, right? With, what is it called? The official Oda thing. I don't know. Here we have the side with him again. And the other side with him again. And we have the back, which nobody likes. Right now, let's get onto the statue. First, let's start with the easiest part, the platform. So yeah, all we gotta do is put this in. Oh yeah, sorry for the bad lighting. Actually, hold on, let me do something real quick. I am back. I just turned on the light in the living room. Don't mind this. Don't mind this, please. Please don't. These are just One Piece stickers. Okay, right here we have the stand. And we have the clear supporter. Let's just put it in. Alright. Everything's tightly in. We got the supporter of the platform. Alright, now time for the thing we've been waiting for. Luffy. So we got his legs and his body. Just put that together, make sure it's on good. Yep, it's not wiggly. Alright, as you can see, he's really red. Before the screen, he's pink. Oh, shoot. He's really pink on the screen, but in the dark he's red. Now it is time for the arm. We now have the arm on. Look at him. He's ready for battle. Now it is time for the last and final parts. Ugh. God. Ugh. And now, we are finished! Also, I see why they added this thing. Because if they didn't add that, then yeah, the arm would just be very low. And many chances of it falling. Even with this thing, probably. I don't know. It just makes it bend. Might break it. Might break like the black supporter right here. So yeah, I see why they added that. But the way it looks is really good. It probably would look really good in red LED lights in a room. So yeah, this would be really good in a red LED room. And I love the way that he looks. He looks really amazing. Also, yes, the sandal is actually pretty bendy. But if you do have it, do not bend the sandal or else it will break probably. Not saying that it will, but it could. You'd rather be safe than sorry. And we also have the armament hand, which actually shines. It actually is pretty shiny. You can see it on camera, I think. And we got his face. Here he is. You can also kind of see like the swirls on his hair. And he's got those dogs out. And yeah, this is literally just at the bottom of the platform. Yeah, there's some words right there. You just can't see it. And he's got the iconic straw hat and the clouds. The cloud part. I don't know why they just added that. I mean, it looks cool, but I feel like they just copied and pasted it from Gear 4 Luffy to Gear 5. But still, it looks cool. We got his purple sash right here. Or belt, I don't know what you would call it. And as you can see, he's really red. But for the camera, he's really pink. And that's it. Bye.